So I'll just break down some tasks into some several straightforward prompts, very easier, right? Short prompts, okay? So it is like a real person dialogue, okay? So you ask simple things, and then it will give you straightforward answer, and then you can verify whether the answer is correct or the direction match the way you want.
Copilot will take time to master. Be patient with it. The final point, though, is that Copilot is a shared responsibility. You are still responsible for the final content and how to use the information provided. So that's a responsibility that you own and that you must manage appropriately.
Do it step by step, learn how to prompt, and involve your peers in it who are already 2 steps ahead of you. That would be my recommendation for the newbies with Copilot.